How boundary walls protect your property. Dear friends, a boundary wall is more than just a structure around your property. It acts as the first line of defense for your home, office, or land. A strong boundary wall gives safety, privacy, and peace of mind to property owners. One of the biggest advantages of a boundary wall is security. It helps prevent unauthorized entry and keeps intruders away from your property. A well-designed wall with a proper gate also improves control over who enters and exits the premises. Boundary walls also provide privacy. They block outside views and reduce unwanted disturbances from neighbors or busy roads. This creates a more comfortable and peaceful environment for your family. Another important benefit is protection from animals and stray vehicles. In many areas, boundary walls help stop cattle, pets, or random vehicles from entering the property and causing damage. A good boundary wall also increases the value and appearance of the property. Modern designs, attractive finishes, and proper lighting can make the property look more stylish and premium. In addition, boundary walls clearly define property limits. This helps avoid disputes with neighbors and gives owners a clear understanding of their land boundaries. Overall, a boundary wall is an essential investment that improves security, privacy, safety, and the overall value of your property. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.